Unlocking the secrets to a great credit score. A high credit score is a financial imperative in today's world. This video will provide you with some tips on how you can boost your own credit score and even take on new credit in 2023 and beyond. A credit score, by definition, is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. It reflects your financial history, including loan repayments and credit usage. In essence, it tells lenders how reliable you are. The first secret to improving your credit score is to maintain a good payment history. Regular, timely payments of your bills and loans show your lenders you are a dependable borrower and a good risk. While it may be tempting, avoid maxing out those credit cards. High credit utilization will harm your credit score. Try to keep your outstanding balance below 30% of your credit limit to safeguard your score. Mixing up your credit can also boost your score. A healthy blend of installment loans and revolving credit cards, etc., displays your ability to manage different types of credit, making you more appealing to potential lenders. Credit history length is another key factor. The longer your credit history length, the better. Resist the urge to close your old, unused credit cards, as they help build your credit history and demonstrate your long-term financial stability. Hard inquiries, such as applying for new credit, can temporarily lower your score. Be careful about applying for multiple forms of credit within a short time span, as this may signal financial desperation to lenders. Personal loans can be your secret weapon when it comes to credit score improvements. Consolidating higher interest debts into a single lower interest personal loan can help control your debt and improve your credit utilization ratio. Strangely enough, not using your credit can also harm your score. Lenders want to see regular activity on an account. Carefully use your credit and then pay off the balance in full each cycle to show you can handle credit responsibly. Checking your credit report regularly is crucial as you want to catch any errors. Disputing any inaccuracies you discover can lead to a quick credit score increase. Remember, you are entitled to a free annual credit report. Patience is key when it comes to credit scores. Improving your score should be considered a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent, responsible credit behavior over a lengthy period of time will raise your score. A good credit score reflects years of sound financial habits. Navigating our turbulent economy with a strong credit score is totally achievable. By utilizing some of the tips in this video into your financial strategy, you can steadily increase your credit score. Start today and witness your financial transformation occur. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please click on like and subscribe so we can continue to create content for you. Thanks. And please visit our website at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.